GoSend, revolutionizing payment solutions with security, efficiency, and sustainability.
Hello mga boss, magandang araw sa inyo. This is really a very good day for us, lalo na sa mga naghihintay, no, na mga iOS users natin, no. Finally, and I'm really proud and excited to announce to everyone, not just sa Play Store tayo available ang GoSend Plus. Kung hindi, available na rin tayo sa iOS or App Store. Yay! So guys, there's no reason kung bakit hindi nyo pwedeng gawin ang GoSend sa mga leaders natin all around Visayas and Mindanao, pati dito sa Luzon, no? Hintayin ninyo na mag-message ako and we will do a meeting, general meeting on how we would start and plan it out para mag-ready na tayo sa 2025 natin. Alright? So 2025, it's a year of rewards and bonus, no, sa GoSend family. So guys, please download it now and share your link, no? And may God bless us all. Thank you. GoSend.